I must also say this at the outset, Abhinav, that I am really proud to be Indian, proud to be one amongst you, because sitting next to me is a gentleman who is so safe and sound. He is, ये बाहर घूम रहे हैं, जो कहना चाहते हैं वो कह सकते हैं. एक साल पहले ये जिसके साथ डिबेट में थे वो बेचारी घर के अंदर है. ये वो देश है. तो जो लॉज बनाते हैं, जो इस देश को प्रोटेस्ट करते हैं, जिस देश पे डेमोक्रेसी नहीं है, वो ये याद रखें कि रहमानी साहब इज सेफ एंड साउंड एंड ही इज हियर विद मी. Remember that always. Don't forget that. All those who think that this is not a democracy, remember that. That there is a woman, poor woman, all she did was just quoted some scriptures and her life has been ruined. Number one. Number two, it's very important to state, Abhinav, just to...
Let's not interrupt each other. Rahmani Saab, let's not interrupt each other.
No,
let's focus on the topic. Let's focus on the topic.
This is like tarnishing my image on the basis of a falsehood.
That's why Anandji, let's focus on the topic itself. Let's not make personal remarks.
To the topic.
Let's not make personal remarks, Anandji. Let's focus on the topic.
It was not a personal remark. I was proud to be Indian. How is that personal? Yes. I am proud that you are safe. How is that personal? We all are safe. Absolutely.
Let's refocus on the topic.
Yes. और tarnish तो image तब होगी ना जब image होगी. But let me. नहीं, Rahmani साहब.
Sir, if this is the way of this debate at the outset, targeting a personality, then I have so many things to say for so many people. But I don't want to continue with that. I can leave this debate if you have to insult me over here.
I'm not insulting
this is like
anyone.
Insulting.
Anandji, did I insult anyone?
Anandji, Anand Ranganathan.
You are insulting me. You are
come
spreading falsehood about me.
Let's
you
come
are
to the topic,
spreading rumors against me. And you are trying to demonize my personality this way. And I object to it.
Anandji, let's only focus on the topic, please.
आपका objection sir आंखों पर, as long as my head is satisfactorily attached to my torso. Now, I want to come. No, let's be done with it. Rahmani साहब, please सुनिए अब आप. ये. Okay.
Anandji, please.
My good friend Lokesh, Abhinav started off that he is a lawyer. He is a lawyer. He is a very dear friend. In audience में इनके clients अगर बैठे होंगे, वो अगले दिन कल जज से कहेंगे, मैं लॉर्ड मैं अकेले लड़ लूंगा केस. मुझे क्या कह रहे हैं ये? कह रहे हैं we gave the world Gandhi. I hope you meant Mahatma Gandhi, not Rahul Gandhi. No. And he is proud of the fact. He is talking about, let me quote Mahatma Gandhi. क्योंकि जब तक facts नहीं देंगे तब तक legalist का क्या चलता रहेगा? Let me quote. This is what Mahatma Gandhi said. Hindus should not harbor anger in their hearts against Muslims, even if the latter wanted to destroy them. Even if the Muslims want to kill us all, we should face death bravely. And if they establish their rule after killing all Hindus, we would be ushering in a new world by sacrificing our lives, unquote.
And today is the...
Anand, let's talk about Mrs. not Gandhi. We can have a different panel on Gandhi.
Of course. No, I just... Lokesh, this is unfair. This is like a real TV debate. यार अभी interrupt मत करो. Give me 30 seconds. और my brother Vishnu ये जो बात करी है 494 की, I just want to ask him कि does he want Muslims to not practice polygamy or does he want Hindus to practice polygamy? मतलब डिस्क्रिमिनेशन किसके अगेंस्ट हो रही है?
That's a very direct question. You have to give an answer.
But मैं एक चीज बताना चाहता हूं क्योंकि लोग ये समझ नहीं पाए मैं क्या कहना चाह रहा हूं. When a Muslim says I am against discrimination, he is against discrimination practiced in all other religions except Islam. When a Hindu says, like I am saying, I am civilizationally a Hindu. I might be a Darwinian atheist, but I am civilized. All of us are.
No, you are a Nastik who go to Mahakaleshwar Mandir in
with pride. और रहमानी साहब के ग्रैंडफादर जैन थे, तभी इनको भी. इट्स अ फैक्ट. आपने खुद एडमिट किया है. हाँ. नहीं, मैं तो फैक्ट्स बता रहा हूं.
ओके आनंद, लेट्स.
तभी इन्होंने कहा माय ब्रदर इज विष्णु जैन. दोनों के ग्रैंडफादर जैन हैं. मैं ये बताना चाह रहा हूं. देखिए मैं हिंदू हूं, ये अब मुस्लिम है ये. सो फैक्ट ऑफ द मैटर इज that a Hindu wants discrimination to be removed from everywhere. This is the difference. Please remember, as Rahmani Saab he can marry a child. आप बुरा मत मानिएगा, मैं आपको लीगल पोजीशन बता रहा हूं आपकी, ठीक है? He can marry 4 wives. It is another matter if 4 women would like to marry him, but that's another matter. Third issue. खुदा ना खास्ता अगर ये अल्लाह को प्यारे हो गए, so the daughter will get half the inheritance as his son. And ये discrimination यहाँ हुआ. मेरा discrimination देखिए. I can have a Hindu undivided family and take benefit of tax. Take tax benefit. That is available to Jains, Hindus and Sikhs, but not Muslims.
I think
I'm against that.
No, you are extremist moderator, sir.
He is doing his work.
Extremist moderator, new terminology.
Towards
Thank
the
you.
rightist, you are extreme right.
अब ये victim card निकाल लिया इन्होंने. पहले debit card, credit card. Let me keep it very simple. You see, people accuse me because they fear fact. समझना सबको वो लगता है. मैंने discrimination की बात करी. मैं कह रहा हूं कि हिंदू अनडिवाइडेड फैमिली को टैक्स बेनिफिट्स मिलते हैं, ये डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है, ये हटना चाहिए. ये किसी ने सुना नहीं. जो मैंने मुस्लिम का डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हो रहा है वो सुना और उस पर चढ़ गए कि हाय हाय क्या बोल दिया. आई आस्क अ वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन टू माय फ्रेंड लोकेश. आर यू फॉर और आर यू अगेंस्ट चाइल्ड मैरिज? यस और नो?
I am against child marriage.
बस बात खत्म हो गई.
But please,
But,
please, let
what
me
is
complete.
but?
Let me complete.
But
Let me complete. Let me complete. Let me
बट आ
complete.
गया ना.
Do you know
ये
Age
but
of
है.
Consent Act
ये
1891?
but है.
Do you know Sarda Bill? It
ये-
took more than 150 years for our reformers so as to do away with the evil of child marriage.
तो आप
When
1.5
I'm
साल
talking
1.5 साल और
about,
लगाएंगे आप
listen,
क्या?
listen.
So you
What
want-
I'm saying
No,
that
is
this
it your case
evil
that the
of-
Muslim community of India is 150 years
No,
behind?
what I say is when child marriage. So what I say is over here, if at all reforms are to be carried out, there is an important need for civil society to act.